Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Antony Lovell. I have the pleasure of working with our Shure team in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. We're based out of Dubai, have offices across the area. We're here today at ISE at the Shure stand. So if you're in the area, please come along and see some of the great stuff we have. Loads of new products, loads of new things we're chatting about. We have about 13 new products launching over the last month and a half and coming month and a half as well. The three main things we're looking at, we have some IntelliMix Room Kits. We're taking our IntelliMix DSP, putting it into a compute and touch panel, ease of use deployment, and allowing people to get that great audio in all their meeting spaces, wherever it may be. We have some Axient Digital PSM, the first digital in-ear monitor system from Shure, a true game changer and really well received wherever we're looking at. SLXD Plus, we're taking what we've already done with SLXD over many years and growing it even further, and it's a great acclaim and extra feature sets. We also have some new speakers out there to allow you to no longer just using just a microphone, but getting it all the way through this single audio chain and out the other side, giving the best audio in the room. And of course, we're also building up to our birthday on the 24th of April. We'll be 100 years old this year, so rightly we're celebrating that with our customers, our partners, and our friends across the industry. So come on by and give us a shout. Let us know what we can talk to you about. If you can't make it to the show, please reach out to Shure at the offices worldwide. If you're in the Middle East, please reach out to NMK. They can help you, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.